lightning here. And remember, if you are hearing thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. So hopefully it's just this time of the night that you're where you need to be already.
Yeah, don't go near the window.
Our high-resolution computer model shows that these storms should be weakening as they move to the east. And we're not seeing
we're gonna get like
this particular model at 2 a.m.
Okay.
So this may be the last
Okay.
We're not seeing any new storms redevelop along the border.
Yeah, and there's like lots of.
But we're not done yet. We've got solid frontal boundary nearby, and we're expecting more storms as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening, especially with daytime heating. So for the morning, some fog and drizzle, and then we'll be looking out west for storms. This computer model here at 1 o'clock, there's a lot of activity to the north, outside of Austin, and some storms isolated in nature developing around northern Mexico along the border. And then we'll be following that. There's another computer model that shows this activity kind of start near lunchtime, just fill in and extend south here on 35 as we get into the evening. So that is the concern as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening.
Stay on the bottom bunk for now.
So now we're seeing the rain arrive to downtown San Antonio. You can see the raindrops on our camera lens here. So this view outside just in downtown San Antonio showing some of the rain moving in. Let's take a look at some of our San Antonio traffic cams. This is 35 at Powell. I don't believe this camera view is going to move. Just trying to see if we can see
that's
more
the
lightning.
highway.
We'll bring it back to downtown San Antonio. So again, some light rain has moved in. Haven't seen any lightning strikes. There we go. See the sky illuminated now with the lightning. Here comes a storm. It's just this one strong storm we're monitoring coming in from the west. And it looks like the warning has been expired, canceled here for Medina County. Still concerned about some very intense wind and lightning as the storm is bowing. We're seeing that leading edge here. Still seeing a lot of lightning too. The lightning strikes are starting to come down, which may be a sign again of a weaker storm. At one point, we were seeing over 2,000 lightning strikes in the
What's that for?
The number has come down below 1,000.
Hill County State National. These are very dangerous storms. 80 miles per hour wind.
Oh! Weather advisory here for eastern Medina and Bexar County until 11:30. So it doesn't look like a warning, but a significant weather advisory.
Significant weather. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, we're under that now.
So
okay, let's see what this is.
At 35 miles per hour. Storm was near Rio Medina, or 9 miles north of Castroville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. That was at 10:44. Time now is 10:46. Any size hail and wind gusts up to 50 to 55 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. So at the strongest, or at least when we could get a report,
Leon Valley,
where the storm
Savannah
was,
Park, Hollywood Park.
And,
yeah, I knew it was gonna hit my area.
What was happening? We had a wind gust of 70 miles per hour as the storm moved into Hondo. That was at the Hondo Municipal Airport here in Medina County. So the storm is beginning to weaken. That's right in line with the computer model showing that any activity here coming in from the west.
Frequent cloud to ground lightning. Yeah, I can definitely see that.
As it moved east and into the midnight time frame. So we're not quite to midnight, but again, the storm is beginning to weaken. I can see that just by the number of lightning strikes. That has come way down in the last half hour. When I first started looking at the storm, just at the top of our 10 o'clock hour, it was over 2,000 lightning strikes in a half hour. Now that has come down under 1,000. We're just now at 887. Kate, if I can come out at 52 and just take that commercial break and come right back, that's what I will do. So again, we've got a flood advisory for the storm, but it's no longer warned. It's just under a significant weather advisory. That's going to include Bexar County until 11:30. So we're now starting to see the leading edge of the storm move from Bandera and Medina into a small sliver of western Bexar County. It looked like we were seeing some impressive hail as the storm was coming in from Uvalde into Medina. That's a look at the hail past. Now the hail current, present. It's showing that there could be some much smaller hail. Hail doesn't look to be over an inch in diameter, and the significant weather advisory notes that penny-sized hail may be possible. So penny-sized hail, rain rates are quite high still. So minor flooding is going to be a concern as the storm moves in as well. And the winds, we've got to look at this. Winds tell the story too. We're still seeing a wind gust at 46 miles per hour in Hondo. So to be that, it's saying that some intense winds are still going to be possible with the storm. Winds sustained in San Antonio at 13, a little stronger in Pleasanton and New Braunfels at 20. No stronger gusts in San Antonio, but it's that wind gust in Hondo that I'm concerned about, up to 50 miles per hour. So some damaging wind gusts possible as the storm moves in from the west. If you're just joining us, it's now 10:50. I'm meteorologist Emily Borchard giving a live look outside. We're continuing with live weather updates for a storm coming in from Medina County into Bexar County.
Brief tornado. Oh, that's
for the lighter rain showing up on our camera lens here. This view over
Texas.
downtown. Our
Brief
cam
tornado touchdown at the Walmart shopping center on Interstate 45. Some minor fence damage and 2 trees down. Hey, a tornado touchdown at Walmart.
Into Medina from Uvalde County. So this is what we're monitoring, starting to make its approach into Bexar County. Still seeing some intense heavy rain, lots of lightning. But it's not looking as strong as it was when it moved into Hondo with that 70 mile per hour wind gust.
That's why I said,
Just trying to zoom in. I just ended up zooming out. The number of lightning strikes has also come way down, which is another sign of weakening. Instead of over 2,000 lightning strikes in a half hour, it's now under 700. Some intense heavy rain possible, and hail that is going to be smaller than what we're seeing as well. As the storm is weaker. Two pockets of purple here, both north and south of 90. Indicating that hail could be maybe between 1/4 to 1/2 inch in diameter. So penny-sized hail is a maybe penny to nickel-sized hail possible as the storm moves in.
Health officials this week warned of a potential new virus.
Transferred through fetid bites. Sounds like you're saying we have zombies.
No, sir. Zombies do not exist. We have infected people who show violent and cannibalistic tendencies.
Now he's somewhere in my apartment, and I think he's trying to kill me.
Spectrum News 1. We are connected, engaged, from the moment we rise.
Alright.
We move,
Yeah, oh
we adjust,
no. Oh no. Mr. Gang.
we learn, explore, relax, and grow together so we're ready to build a better tomorrow. Stay informed throughout your day with the Spectrum News app.
Oh, I know. I
I'm
know.
most satisfied when I'm making a difference.
Okay.
I get to go to work every day and communicate with fellow Texans who understand that quality of life matters and the choices we make matter. And if they can trust me to share